Okay, people, I was looking through my comment section today on YouTube, and somebody was asking, how do I put this light on the little Steambow crossbow? Well, the way I did it is this way. This little rail here, I think they call it Piccadilly rail. You loose the screws. Okay. And then you place it on this side. Right? But here's the problem. The screws are too short. They won't work. So I went in my toolbox, or maybe you're gonna have to go to a hardware store, and bought longer screws. These. And just make sure that it's gonna work on here. See? Make sure that the screws you buy is gonna be the same thread. You don't want to mess the threads, you know. So then, now you put it over here. Phillips. Like this. And then the other screw, the same thing. So, make it nice and tight. Now, this here, you could buy it on Amazon. This is a flashlight, and it has a red dot on it too. And then, you see here, with your Allen wrench, you open this up, right here, and you adjust it, and you put it on this. And that's the way I was able to install the flashlight on my crossbow AR-6 STEAMBOW. Okay, people, I hope you enjoy. Have a great night.